In front of me is HUAWEI Enjoy 70X, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then click on this icon at the top right corner. And when your app is opened in pop-up view, click on the second one. Now you need to move your window by holding this line at the top and drag it all the way up or all the way down. When you see this gray area, let go. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down. And if you want to close both of them right away, just swipe them in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!